Hi everybody, I'm Stephano from APEGEO Space from Italy, and thanks to ST for hosting us today at Maker Faire Rome. We are a company that are making a new IoT constellation with these Pico-Satellites. They are about 1/3 of a Pico-Satellite or a CubeSat unit, and we are currently trying to deploy a full constellation of 100 satellites up by 2027. Right now we already launched 10 of them and we are testing IoT communication from Earth to low Earth orbit through these example nodes we are presenting today. And our objective is to send data directly from the device to the satellite without having to rely on current infrastructure. So anybody in the middle of the ocean can transmit and track data and track containers or do all kinds of operations with low throughput data in order to provide IoT service. If you want to learn more, please visit us on our site, apegeo.space, and hope to see you soon.